Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Are you ready for some shopping? Because I have here very important words and phrases that will help you definitely with your shopping in spoken Egyptian. But first, don't forget to enroll in my Egyptian Arabic 101 online course. It's completely free course and it has also a free ebook that you can download right away. So, let's start. The first one is the verb يشتري, to buy. أنا عايز أشتري. I want to buy. أنا عايز أشتري. يشتري. يشتري is to buy something. The second verb is to sell, يبيع. يبيع. So it is the opposite of يشتري. أنا عايز أبيع. Okay. أنا مش هبيع. I will not sell. Okay. أنا عايز أبيع. I will sell. So يبيع is to sell. Okay. It is the opposite of يشتري, which is to buy. يبيع. Okay. يبيع. Or هو يبيع. He sells. هي تبيع. She sells. Sale, we have two words. We have an Arabic word and we have a word that came from a foreign language. Let's start with the Arabic word. The Arabic word is تخفيض. تخفيض, it means sale. تخفيض. So تخفيض from يخفض, which means to make it down, to reduce. Okay, يخفض, or to get it lower. The second synonym, or the synonym of تخفيض, came from French, which is occasion. Occasion. Occasion, it means sale, or it means تخفيض, and we use them interchangeably, and you hear occasion a lot in spoken Egyptian. Occasion. How much? How much? Became. Became. Or ده became. How much? Okay, if you are in a bazaar, for example, and you're asking about the price of something, you say became ده, became ده, or became دي. How much is this? If you are looking for a particular item and you don't find it in the supermarket, you say, how can I find this? Where can I find it? For example, where can I find it? ألاقي فين ده? Okay? ألاقي فين ده? ألاقي فين? Okay? ألاقي فين اللبن, for example. How can I find milk? ألاقي فين الجبنة? How can I find cheese? Where can I find cheese? Where can I find cheese? ألاقي فين الجبنة? So ألاقي فين or فين ألاقي. You can also use the opposite way. فين ألاقي or ألاقي فين. Don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. It's a fundamental course aiming to give you the basic background you need in spoken Egyptian. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will find useful resources in the description box of these videos, so make sure to check them out. I hope you liked this episode. Have a great time and see you in future episodes.